Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, in response to the call attention raised by Jirang MLA S. Sotun regarding the news report on poor air quality in Byrnihat, Meghalaya, stated that the government is serious about addressing this issue and is taking all necessary steps. The Byrnihat industrial area in Assam, located near Byrnihat town in Meghalaya, hosts several red category industries. The Central Pollution Control Board, CPCB, has identified Byrnihat as a critically polluted area. Following directions from the National Green Tribunal and the CPCB, the Assam Pollution Control Board has developed an action plan and is taking adequate measures to improve the environmental quality in Byrnihat. Sangma said he has written to the Chief Minister of Assam requesting the two state pollution control boards to work together to address the issue.
There is certain level of pollution or activities from both sides. I think that is number one. So to say that it is only happening on Meghalaya's side or only happening on Assam's side would not be fair, and it would be difficult to really pinpoint that. So at the end of the day, the two state governments have to work together, especially the pollution boards. And I'm happy to inform you that I have written a letter to the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam requesting him for the same, that because of the air pollution quality and the AQI in Byrnihat, which happens to be a border area, the two states and the two pollution boards must work in proper coordination and collaboration.